blister pack here, Sun and Moon.
Yeah.
Got it from Target. Some nice artwork on the bottom. Ooh, we got a Pikachu coin. I didn't even notice the Pikachu coin.
Yeah.
Everything Pikachu is always worth something. Let's take a look at the card. And the Togedemaru promo. And let's take a nice look at that Pikachu coin. Looks good. Alright, Mason wants to open up this Sun and Moon pack. I think we have a couple secret rares we want to open. Got a nice dark energy to start it off. Looking through them. You got the two same ones. So you got a hollow and reverse hollow. Ribombi. That is sad. Got a rainbow energy. We got another Togedemaru.
Yeah.
Do you like Togedemaru?
Yeah.
Remember from the show? Sun and Moon show. Alright.
Bye-bye. Oh, no.
Alright.
No.
We got a dark energy and a picky peck, a charbug. Alright, I'm gonna open up the Doocy Doo artwork. Sun and Moon. Is that okay? Yes. We got a reverse hollow Diglett, a Alolan Diglett. Your brother can look at him. Why not? Here, let's see him, Jack. Thank you. Ooh, you got a double energy and a Grand Bull. A Makuna. No, a Makuhita. You got another Togedemaru, or is that... Ooh, I love Incineroar. That's your rare. It's just a regular card, but still pretty cool. Alright, Mason's saying bye-bye. So is Jackson. We still got one more thing, but look at these. It's nice to see the old Pokemon in all the sets. Paris, Caterpie, Shelter, no, and Goose. Alright, let's do these ones real quick. This one's my turn. Passimian, Hau, Pinsir. You can throw those on the ground, they're just the empty packs. Bounce Sweet. Ooh, there's a Psyduck, I like that artwork. We got a Litten, a Cosmog, a Roggenrola. Ooh, we got a reverse hollow timer ball. We like that one. Uh-oh. And we got an SBNGX. We have a bunch of these. But still cool, at least we got something. Right, Mace? Alright, you guys. Jackson's gonna ruin the common cards, and we're gonna put this guy in the sleeve.